Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bjorn and this is my 1998 Civic Coupé. So I bought it about 10 years ago. It used to be green, pre-facelift. I had it slammed with some Japan Racing bronze 6-spoke or 8-spoke wheels. That was fun. I was young, so it didn't really matter. And I got to know the scene a bit more. So after about 6 months to a year, I decided to rebuild the car, which took me about 3 years because I didn't have any experience at all. I got my experience from Honda Tech, NWP for Life, dseries.com, which was very informative, well, in that period of time because most of the people use Facebook now. I learned a lot on those websites and forums, so yeah. I did a wire tuck, cleaned the engine bay a little bit, found myself a supercharger for my D16 Y8, slammed it on there, got to the interior, put some Recaros in there, yeah, and that was fun. So I drove with that a few years, and then I decided, well, I found some Sprintars CPRs in Japan. I imported them, refurbished them, put them on the car, and that was just simply amazing. That look was perfect. I love that look. But I had to move from my house. I went from a storage space or workshop from 150, 200 square meters to one small garage box to fit that car in there. And yeah, that didn't work out, so I had to sell a lot of parts. So I sold my Sprintars and well, used that money to rebuild some other stuff. So after a year that the car was in storage, I didn't do anything to it. I was looking for another garage, another workshop. So I found this workshop, which is about 100 square meters, big enough for me. So I found myself some spoon brake calipers for the front. I found myself NBC Racing, which is Circuit Dreams in America, 25 millimeters wide fenders for the front. Slammed those on there, drove with that to the track and had some fun. Some ATS DTC big wheels for the front, so 15-inch by 8 with 225 50 15 Toyo R888R. Those are just fun to drive with. So, well, thanks to COVID-19 coronavirus, I decided to rebuild the whole car again from the ground up, fix some mistakes that I made in the beginning because, well, I didn't know what I was doing. I did the things that they told me to do on the forums, which isn't that good anymore these days. So I'm gonna repaint the engine bay, redo the engine, do big maintenance on the engine, paint some parts, change the color scheme a little bit, strip the interior. Everything under the dashboard is now gone, which I will show in some future vlogs. I took out my sunroof, put a polyester bung in it, got it painted, so that's all nice and clean now. But my roll cage is a little bit too small now because it's a roll cage for a car with a sunroof, which is about 5 to 10 centimeters difference. So I have to weld my roll cage so it gets up higher again because I keep hitting my head with my helmet on the roll cage, which isn't that good. Gonna do that, get the interior clean again, paint some parts that needs to be painted, and then yeah, do the suspension setup again. And then yeah, get it ready for next year. So I hope you like these vlogs. I hope you're gonna like my future vlogs as well. If you do, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, comment if you like, even if it's negative. If it's negative, just make sure you build up your negative posts so I know what I have done wrong or what you like to see in the vlogs. And then yeah, if you want to see some more pictures as well, check me out on Instagram and then follow me there as well. Put some likes up so I know I have to get some more content of this car on YouTube and Instagram. So yeah, I hope you like the vlogs and I hope to see you next time.